In 1970, the Disney Company teamed with the Florida Citrus Commission to create this sunny little fellow known as Orange Bird. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to create a sweet little treat inspired by a Walt Disney World favorite. The Sunshine Tree Terrace at the Magic Kingdom Park is a great place to score some liquid refreshments. The drink I'm about to show you is inspired by my favorite menu item, the Citrus Swirl. To make this adult beverage, begin by pouring some orange juice into your pitcher. Then, add an equal amount of white wine to it. You can use any kind of white wine that you like. And lastly, add a splash of triple sec and stir up your drink mixture. This sweet addition really brings out the delicious orange flavor. Now let's add something really special. With a small ice cream scoop or spoon, put some vanilla ice cream into a small glass. The only thing left to do is pour our orange juice mixture over the ice cream and enjoy. Thanks for watching this episode of Arcade Artisan. If you'd like to see even more great recipes, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have a cool idea for a recipe or a fun craft, send me a message in the comment section below. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Did you notice my Orange Bird inspired dress? Check out the link to Pinup Girl clothing in the description for even more couture attire.